Resistance and conductance of an electrolytic solution. Generally, electrical resistance is a measure of hindrance or resistance caused by the material for the flow of current through it. Electrical resistance is a measure of hindrance or resistance caused by the material for the flow of current through it. The electrical resistance is represented by the symbol capital R and it is measured in ohm. Measured in ohm. And this resistance is directly proportional to the distance between the electrodes and inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the electrodes. So based on that, resistance is directly proportional to the distance between the electrodes and inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the electrodes. And proportionality constant here rho into L by A, where rho is resistivity or specific resistance. Rho. Then if we take the reciprocal for this equation, 1 by R is equal to 1 by rho into A by L. 1 by R is equal to 1 by rho into A by L, where 1 by R reciprocal of resistance is conductance and 1 by rho reciprocal of resistivity or reciprocal of specific resistance is conductivity or specific conductance K into A by L, where G is conductance, K is conductivity or specific conductance. Now we can write this equation as K is equal to G into L by A, where L by A, the ratio of the distance between the electrodes to the area of cross section of the electrodes is equal to cell constant G star. So K is equal to G into, in place of L by A we can write it as G star, where G star is a cell constant. So that is in one of the important equation, K is equal to G into G star. We'll see the units one by one. As I told earlier, resistance unit is ohm. Next, what is the unit of resistivity? Rho. What is the unit of resistivity? If we take this equation, R is equal to rho into L by A. From this, rho is equal to R into A by L. In this equation, where R is ohm, unit of R is ohm, and L is meter, where A is meter square, area of cross section meter square, L is meter. So from this, unit of resistivity is ohm meter. That is resistivity unit. Next, unit of conductance. G. If we take this equation, 1 by R is equal to 1 by rho into A by L. 1 by R is G is equal to 1 by rho is 1 by rho is, first of all, here rho is ohm meter into area of cross section meter square, L is meter. So G is equal to, this will get cancelled, 1 by ohm is ohm inverse. or we can consider that as mho or inverse, ohm inverse. And the SI unit of this conductance is Simon. Siemens. Symbol is S, which is equal to ohm inverse or mho or the symbol ohm inverse. That is the unit of the conductance. Next, unit of conductivity or specific conductance. Specific conductance, K, unit of K. We can take this equation 1 by R is equal to reciprocal equation 1 by R is equal to 1 by rho into A by L, where 1 by R we can consider that as a G, 1 by rho is K into A by L. From this K is equal to G into L by A, we know that already given. So here K is equal to G. What is the unit of G? Conductance unit is ohm inverse. Okay, or else we can take it as Simon. And L is meter, A is meter square. So unit of K is Simon meter inverse, or we can consider this as Simon centimeter inverse also. And finally, the cell constant unit. Here only if you see the cell constant unit, what is the cell constant unit here? L is meter, A is meter square. So unit of cell constant is meter inverse or else centimeter inverse. Okay.